name is Rebecca. Welcome if you are new. Welcome back if you are an old friend. I had this winter yardstick in my craft stash. I bought it because I fell in love with the shape. I removed the wooden calligraphy letters that were glued onto the sign with a butter knife, and most of the pretty paper overlay came off with the wooden calligraphy. I sanded the entire sign down with a sanding block until it was smooth. I get my sanding blocks at Dollar Tree or Harbor Freight.
2, 3, 4.
I painted the front, back, and sides with 2 coats of white chalk paint. You can choose whatever color that you wish. I chose white because I had these cute letters from Dollar Tree that are whimsical, fun, and self-adhesive. I spelled out Chihuahua Spy Zone with the letters. I only touched the letters to the sign until I got the letters placed exactly where I wanted them, and then I made sure that I pressed them down securely. I had some small wooden half beads, so I super glued 2 on one side and 2 on the other side of the word spy, and I gave them a quick brush over with the white chalk paint. I wanted them to look like little eyes. I used some acrylic craft paint and a very small brush, and I painted 2 little ovals at the bottom of the wood beads. I'm using my paint markers to outline the edges of the sign with little dashes, and then I thought it was just too stark white, so I added some dots. I used the black paint marker to add some dashes along the top of the wood beads for eyelashes. Keep in mind, I am not an artist. Whatever freehand I do is going to be sketchy at best. My mother and my granddaughter are the artists of the family. I can barely draw stick figures, but I muddle along. I attempted to draw a paw print on the top of the sign, and then I thought I wanted more polka dots, so I went to town with just different colors of the paint pens that coordinated with the colors in the letters. Crafting is not about perfection. It's about creating something unique. For me, it's a creative outlet that just settles my kettle, turns off my brain, and allows me to recenter myself. While you're here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you know when I've uploaded a new video. Give this video a thumbs up. Whatever I do, I share it with my friends, and I hope that you get some inspiration to create something beautiful for your space. I love to craft, cook, decorate, DIY, and Dollar Tree is my favorite store, so I upload Dollar Tree makeup reviews as well. I also am still a huge fan of the Dollar Tree DIY. My sign needed a messy bow, so I cut strips of coordinating ribbon about 6 inches long. I stacked them in an X pattern. I ran a piece of twine under the stack of ribbon, cinched it up tight in the center with a knot. I went over the entire sign with 2 coats of polyacrylic. I let it dry in between the coats so that it would hold up outdoors, and I hot glued my bow onto the sign. Thank you ever so much for watching Crafts, Lives, and Chaos, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.